not saying I'm single. For sure naman nakakatali siguro sa social media, diba? So I think it's just what you see is what you get. You know, I mean, I don't want to disclose anything. Yes.
Pero meron.
So what you see is what you get, diba? Mali mo, maglakad-lakad na, meron akong kasama. Hindi mo masabi, diba? So, kasi it's a private life na I don't wanna, yeah.
It's because you want to protect the girl. Ganun ba yun? Kasi syempre nga may mga fans.
Tingin mo ba?
Sana tinanong ko rin sa sarili ko, di ba?
Yeah, of course. Siguro.
Siguro speaking on behalf of David na lang, knowing him, siguro sa lahat sa atin dito, I would like to say na ako ang may pinaka nakakakilala sa kanya. And knowing him, he's a very private person. So just sitting here in front of all of you is a really big challenge na for David. Diba? So he's not the type of person to open up his personal life to all of you, which we all find very challenging kung tayo man ang tumayo sa kanyang posisyon, hindi ba? So I think we would just like to ask for respect for privacy na lang po for people like David na gustong ihiwalay talaga ang kanyang professional life at talagang mag-bloom ang kanyang career, di ba?
Thank you.
Very fair, Mark.